Hey there, tech troubleshooters. If you're staring at your Verizon router and wondering why it's not connecting to the internet, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get your connection back up and running in no time. Whether it's a loose cable or a software glitch, let's dive in and solve this together. First things first, start with the basics. Check all your physical connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the router and the wall outlet. Also, verify that the Ethernet cable or coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the router and your modem if you have one. Sometimes, a simple wiggle or reset can do the trick and save you a headache. Next, try restarting your router. This is like giving your device a quick reset. Unplug the power cord, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a couple of minutes to boot up fully. If you're still offline, check for any service outages in your area. Head over to the Verizon website or app and look for their network status page. If there's an outage, you'll just have to wait it out, but at least you'll know it's not your fault. If that doesn't work, let's get a bit more advanced. Log into your router's settings by typing in the default IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, into your web browser. Make sure you're connected via Ethernet for this. Once in, check for any firmware updates and install them if available. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. As a last resort, you might need to reset your router to factory settings. But be careful. This will erase all your customized settings, so only do this if you're prepared to set it up again. Use the reset button on the back of the router, hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then reconfigure it. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Verizon support. They can check for account issues or send a technician if needed. Remember, troubleshooting tech can be frustrating, but you're already one step ahead by watching this video. There you have it, easy fixes to get your Verizon router online. Give these a try, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.